Hello everyone, it's me, Sarah B, on a very cold and rainy, gloomy day where I am in my part of the world. But what better day to open a box, see what we got, have some fun. Here we go. I'm opening a StitchFix box today. I think it's my 13th. I think. I'm really bad at keeping track of these things. So we'll find out when we get inside. StitchFix is super fun. It's $20 to get a box styled for you. Anything you keep, that $20 gets credited to. You just have 3 days to try things on and send them back. This box was full to bursting, like the tape was barely holding it in. So my bag to send things back, my note from my stylist, and my enormous bundle. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's full of sweaters. I'm in the need for some sweaters. I'm having a hard time right now because it is the holiday season. I'm supposed to be spending money on other people. And then these lovely things come my way. What else did I want to say about StitchFix? I don't know. I've loved my stylist and, oh my gosh, love what they have sent me. It's a cardigan, you guys. No, it's not. It's a sweater. It's a turtleneck sweater. I'm not sure if I love turtlenecks. They sent me one last time, too. I didn't end up keeping it. This is from Leo and Nicole. The Zarin Cotton Blend Poncho Pullover. It's the poncho. I would just wear it like a sweater all the time. Look how cozy that is. My second piece is a black sweater. Oh my gosh. Just like super simple from Absolutely Creative Worldwide. Marco crew neck pullover. Like, could not be dead simpler, but also like a total staple. And I'm in love. I was really hoping for lots of color and pattern in this one because I'm now really into color and pattern, and a lot of winter clothes tend to be, wintry. Look at this! It's a scarf! And maybe that's what I need, is like fun color and pattern in scarves and like accessories. Because this, it's an infinity one, paired with this, would be so much fun. Gosh. This one, oh man, this one, from Madison Lily, Zandy cardigan. It is so soft. It is unbelievable. But look at it. Oh my gosh. It's like the really silky, wispy yarn. I'm a knitter, so I love the texture of it. I'm not sure how it would wear and how my kids would deal with it. But, wait. Oh, it has pockets. And where is the washing instructions? Polyester, machine wash cold. Yes. And the last piece they sent me is a pair of jeans. Ooh, I've requested, they have sent, and I have requested Cut from the Cloth brand. This is a different brand. This is Vigos, Vigoss. Boot cut. Actually, I really like the color of this. I really love the color of this. Okay. I'm going to get to trying on. I'll be right back. So it's occasionally creepy how well the stylists can like get into your own brain and send you exactly something that you would wear like for the rest of the day that you open the package. The jeans are amazing. They're super comfy. They're very stretchy and fit me beautifully. The shirt could not be more comfortable. It's like a heavier knit. It's more than t-shirt, but it's not like a heavy sweater. Lovely. This, I'm just a sucker for this kind of stuff. So this is perfect. Just completely perfect. While I'm here, I'm not sure about this cardigan just because of the style it is. And like, oh, but it's so soft and comfy. It's like unbelievably soft and comfy. I have to be careful not to snag tags as I put things on. It's like the epitome of what is it, hygge? Which is like cozy and warm and inviting and just like, curled up with a book, sitting by a fire with a cup of tea. Yeah, that's exactly what this sweater is. I really have to think about it. And it's going to come down to cost as well. I have a budget to keep in, but this is amazing. Like, amazing. And while I'm here, let's just do it all. Because this is a poncho, so I can throw that on over top of everything else too. I really do appreciate the scarf in all of this because it is winter and winter colors. So very like muted. But the scarf like adds everything, you know. I've never had a poncho, and I'm not particularly over the moon when it comes to turtlenecks, but yeah, I don't know. I can totally see the appeal. Again, I'm kind of snagged up because of tags and stuff. Like, I could totally see myself just wearing this around the house all the time in the winter to stay warm. Oh, let's see. Right? I could dig it. All right, let's see how much it all costs, and we'll go from there. So now let's break it down and see how much it all costs. Here's my note from my stylist, who says, it's Meredith. Welcome to your December fix. Today's fix focuses on bringing you soft and cozy fabrications to enjoy all winter long. Freshen up your jean collection with these bootcut jeans from Vigas, when we haven't tried, so I'm eager to hear your thoughts on how they fit compared to your favorite cut from the cloth jeans. For casual winter style that is perfect for a family gathering, pair these jeans with your favorite tee and layer with the Madison Lily cardigan. Woo! Which I could just snuggle up to all day. Top off the look with your season's favorite accessory, this infinity scarf from the Accessory Collective. This paisley print is both unique and beautiful and will be a welcome addition to a casual style. As we move on to the new year, do you have any wardrobe resolutions? Be sure to let me know what is on your wish list before your next fix. Meredith. Thank you, Meredith. I love Meredith. She and I have been together for a long time. Let's just see how long. This is my 13th fix. Gosh. Okay, you ready? This part is always like really nerve-wracking because when I love something, I want it to be something I know I can keep. Okay. The Accessory Collective Troy Paisley Infinity Scarf, $28. That's not bad for what it is. Accessories are not inexpensive, and good, beautiful ones are worth it, in my opinion. Shaky cam, sorry. I'm just going to fold it nicely so it doesn't get lost in the shuffle. I really love that. I love a good scarf. Anyway, the jeans, the Shasta bootcut jeans, $68, which is about right for a pair of jeans. I do like them. They fit me really well. They have a good stretch to them. The color is really great too. There was, I just tried on a pair of jeans the other day from a different box that was, I think, too light for me, and that's a really great color. The Absolutely Marco crew neck pullover in black is $38, which is, I'm going to say, about what I expected from an item that comes in a StitchFix box, only because their items are always really high quality, and so that comes with a high price tag. It is a little bit much to be paying for just like a cozy black cardigan, but I also trust the quality of the StitchFix stuff, so that's fair. The Zarin, yes, the Leo Nicole Zarin Cotton Blend Poncho in gray is $68. But I love it. The more I had it on, even like the short time of filming, the more I like fell in love with it. So I have to think about this because I really do love it. It's like cozy and lovely for me. Maybe I'll wrap it and put it under the tree and tell my husband that he just purchased one of his gifts for me. And the Madison Lily Zandy cardigan is $48, which I think is a great price for something that's so cozy and lovely and kind of like boutique-y. My concern with this is I wear things really, really hard. I wear them out very easily, especially like things like this, because they're so cozy. I feel like I want to wear them all the time, even though that's what they're intended to do. And I have small children literally pulling on my sleeves and on my hems all day, so I have to be super careful about that. So I definitely have some things to think about. I love everything in this box, but I can't justify keeping it all right now. Even though, okay, so the Stylist subtotal, so everything in the box, $250, which alone I think is decent. Buy all discount takes $62.50 off. So everything is really just $187.50. It's not bad. It's really tempting, but I can't. I really can't. So I need to make some hard decisions. As always, leave some thoughts in the comments below. I always appreciate your input as to what you think is the best item or items to add to my wardrobe, and what you think I could perhaps pass on for another time, as difficult as that might be. Thank you as always for joining me. I have a referral link below that if you sign up for StitchFix using that, you get $50 to use on your first box, which is amazing. So take advantage of it. Gift a box for the holidays. Thank you for joining me. Like and subscribe, please, if you would be so lovely to do. And until next time, be well.